So now we have everything set up except the column. So we need to draw the column as well. What I'm going to do is that I have this line here, and I know the distance from the center of this, which is going to be 10 inch 1 over half, or 10.5 inches. I know the size, which is 18 inches, the column size. It means that is a square and each side is equal 18 inches. So I'm going to go over to my drawing and I'm going to use the offset tool and put the first distance as 10 dash 1 over 2. And I'm going to go over this line and offset it here. So that's going to be my center. Then I have to go over the other side. So I'm going to change the distance. So I'm going to type the distance without getting out of the offset command. I'm going to change the distance to 9. And we'll say 9. And it's going to offset that 9 feet apart from the first one. The other way I can do it is that I can get out of this command and I'm going to type offset again, and I'm going to change that one bar to 9, and I'm going to put this one and then put it up here. Okay, so that's the second one. And now let's draw our rectangle or a square. I'll go with the rectangle, going over this point, use this point as my reference, and I know that it's going to be from this point, knowing 9 feet apart, and that's going to be my first point. And from there I have to go minus 18 comma minus 18. That's going to be my square, right? Alright, so the only thing that I forgot to do is that putting all these objects into the right layers. So I'm going to select this different object and put them in the right place. I'm going to select this circle and put them into the piles. I'm going to select this column and then put it in a column. And I'm going to select these objects. So I don't need to hold the shift. When I select new object, it's basically AutoCAD adding to the selection. If I want to get rid of one object, I can press shift, and this time selecting that object. That's going to basically getting rid of that object. I'm going to select this object, and I'm going to move that one to pile cap. Alright. The only thing that doesn't work is this hidden. This pile is supposed to be hidden because I don't see them. It's underneath that pile cap. So I have to change the LtScale or line type scale. I'm going to type the LtScale, and I'm going to put the LtScale on 20. Sounds about right.